Hello everyone, let's discuss about the live tracking component. So the live tracking component is in the taskbar. I click the track time button, select the project, select the task, enter any notes and click the start button. As soon as I click the start button, it will start recording the time for this project. So I see two options as pause and stop. So if I want to take a break, like a coffee break or a lunch break, I can click the pause button. So it will stop recording the time. So now I'm back from my break, I can click the restart button. So now it will again start recording time for the selected project. And I can also track time to multiple projects at a time. As I'm already tracking for a project, I can click the new button, select a different project, related task, and click the start button. So this way I'm tracking time for two projects. So I see this here. When I click on the active tickets, I see the projects that I'm tracking time to. And I can click the checkout button to check out for a project. I can check out from here, or I can go back to the main screen and click the stop button. So this way you can do the live tracking, and in the live tracking you have option to track time to multiple projects at a time. Thank you.